Today I'm going to show you how to use the Intense Repair Treatment Spray. So this is a spray that actually helps with hair growth. You could either have the dropper or the spray, and the contents are exactly the same. The ingredients are same. It contains biotin, it contains melatonin, and it contains caffeine that helps break up the DHA on the scalp. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. First important thing is always that your hair should be detangled. And the second thing is your scalp should be dry. So don't do this immediately after you wash. Wait, or just before sleeping is a good time to do it. Mix the bottle because you know these ingredients are awesome. So we go from the center. So first of all, if you have spots, then identify those spots. I'm going to just go and slightly spray and rub. Not too much, just spray and rub. I have identified the spots where I actually need help, and it's one particular spot here. And that's it. Just go in wherever you have these bald spots or you have like these lines that are very thick, and then just go in and massage. And slightly massage. You can see that I am not overdoing it. Very slightly with light hands, and that's about it. If you're going to sleep, always remember to tie your hair into a pony, or if you have hair with length like mine, tie it into a light black, and always remember to use a silk or satin scrunchie. That's how easy it is, and this application needs to be done every day before you go to sleep. It's preferred time because you relax after that